There.
Hi guys, we're recording right now. This is our second recording. Dahil di nag-record kanina. But guys, thank you very much for coming. This is our last show. We're doing our meet and greet. And here are our fans right there. Diyan sila lahat. Hi!
Thank you to everybody who watched us in all the 8 Dear Heart concert tour shows. And we hope to be back next year.
Yes,
to
and
do other shows, also in other places.
Just check our Instagram, both of us, so that you will be updated with the latest events.
Right, and we love, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you from us both.
Thank you to everybody, all our 8 shows, all the states that we've been to, and Canada. Thank you sa inyo lahat. But maybe we'll give the others, other states a chance.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't happen in the US,
other countries also.
Yes, it will happen somewhere else, maybe Australia.
But we'll come back to the US.
Yes, we'd like to do
Australia,
that.
Middle East, maybe, and of course, we're gonna make a movie, hopefully soon, but we'll make it a nice one to be worth your while.
We'll keep you updated. Stay within. Check out our Instagram and stay with us until that date comes. Take care.
We love you so much.
Take care because we care. All right, bye bye.
I'm Gabby Concepcion.
At di mo pa kaya mag-isa.
Kinakabahan ako. Sa bawat kaba, alam ba nila ang pag-ibig mong nadarama?
Di ka binigyan ng laya,
niya kayo, mag-move on na.
Know how to get by on my own.
Tagalan mo na.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Tumaya tayo sandali.
Baka ikiss kita, halik na rin.
Tagal. May linya pa.
Okay.
Tag mo na, feel ko to feel ko.
Say goodbye. No matter how they try to show me love won't last. If a prisoner's caught in a kahit masaktan, di ko papansinin ang pagluha ko'y huwag mong intindihin. Yes, I love you, walang iba. Sa sinasabi niya, sinta tayong dalawa. Tayong dalawa.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay. Habol po ako sa harap. Harap. Hahabol ka na. Behind. Okay, go. Behind daw, everyone.
Go. Continuation siyempre. Siyempre pag tinuro mo didikit nila yung dun sa back shot.
Okay tayo. Okay.